How to change the rear indicator bulb on a Mini. So it's this one here in the middle, the orange lens, the brake at the top, and the rear light at the bottom. So inside, you can see the back of the bulbs, this panel here. There's a little tab at the top here, he's pushed down. So there's the tab right there, let's point to it. So stick your hand in, push the tab downwards. And that releases it. Just in case of getting it out. Very fiddly. Go over the top like I have. Brings it out. Get the middle bulb, push in, turn counterclockwise. Get your new bulb, put it in, turn clockwise, put the panel back in. From the top, just like you're taking it out. Very gently, not to damage the bulbs. Just a quick check, everything's working, and you're done.